Hey guys, welcome back. This is TEMU video part 2. So for those of you who have maybe not seen the first one, so I did a video about TEMU, which is a new app where you can buy things, and it was super cool. And apparently a lot of people are interested in this, wanting to know if it's a scam, wanting to know if it's not. And I had 37,000 people watch that video in the last 2 weeks. And I got a whole bunch of comments, a whole bunch of people saying, this is great, I like this, I don't like this. And a lot of people saying, I want to know the prices, and I want to know like how much you spent, if you liked it, the shipping, the return policy, all that stuff. So I'm preparing to do a video for you that's longer, that will go into each product, and I'll talk to you about more of it. I'm going to screen share, I'm going to show you all of the things that I bought, or most of the things that I bought. I'll tell you about what I love, what I don't. But that's going to take a little bit. It's kind of a video that's taking longer. I probably spent another hour already just trying to compile all of that data for you, just over what I got in November and December. So what I'm going to do right now, for a quick view, for those of you who are like, I want to buy stuff now and I'm very interested in this. So I actually reached out to TEMU and I got a discount code for you. So I'm going to put it down in the comments below where you guys can get a discount. If you are new or if you download the app, you can get extra stuff as you're starting to get going and testing it out. So I'm going to do a quick screen share and I'm going to scroll through and show you what I have just really quick on this. I just put it all kind of in a PDF. There's a big red X on the things that I'm like, I would not buy that again. I do not recommend it at all. And then there's a little happy smiley face on the things that is like, okay, this is something that I've super loved. The things that don't have the marks on them, that just means I haven't had enough time to really test it to say I can 100% say I would recommend this to you. But from what I know so far of it, I like it, and I am going to keep it because I didn't return it, because that was something that I'm going to keep. Returns went really fast. They will just send you a prepaid label. You will put it on your box, take it to the UPS store, drop it off. It was no hassle, no problem. So if you're concerned about returns and having it be a hassle, it wasn't. It was great. They seemed to be really, really good about it. So I'm going to switch over to my screen share and I'm just going to scroll through and I'm going to show you guys what I have. If you want to just go down slow on the video or keep pausing it and looking at it, if there's something that you want, I'll go more into depth on all those things in the next video. But for right now, I'm just going to let you scroll through it because I got to go make dinner for my family. So here we go. I'm going to show you what I got. Give me just a second and we will screen share here. There we go. And I'm just gonna scroll through, let you guys look at it, and then I'll come back and do another video where I will give you more details on what I like about each thing and why I like it. And some things I even went back and bought more, and I actually have one more package that's on its way to me. And when it gets here, I'll do another video unboxing and you'll get first-hand reactions because I won't open it all ahead. A lot of this stuff I got before Christmas, so it was just kind of a crazy time, and I just opened it and I put it all in the corner and then did the review on it later when I had time. So here you go. I'm just going to give you a quick glance at all the things there. I don't know what happened there. I messed up something with the PDF, so just ignore that. It was a I don't want it thing. And you can see the things that we love that I would highly recommend, the things that I would not at all like. Kind of get an idea for the pricing on what's there and how much we paid for it. And the overall was 7 to 10 to 11, I think, was the longest delivery days that it took for me to get the delivery. So I am super in love with things that I've gotten so far. So hopefully these are things. Obviously, I bought a lot of stuff. I have 32 pages. Some of them obviously are little pages like this. But when I compiled it all together, so you guys could see it, this is what I've got. And I'm really, really happy with a lot of the things that I got. So hopefully you guys can share too in the comments of the things that you love. I know I've had people that are asking me, can you give me the link for the specific product? I haven't figured out how to do that yet without going into each individual product and doing like screenshotting or taking that URL and putting them all in the chat. So you can search the titles that are right there and you'll be able to see, and they'll pull up on your search when you're in there. Maybe what I'll do is I could go through and pull out just these ones with the smiley face hearts, the ones I absolutely loved, and give you just the links for those, because it's going to take way too long to go through all those products and give you all the links. So you're just going to have to search for the things that you like and the things that you're interested in. If you see something here, take note of what it's called and type that in and it will pull up. I've noticed a couple things like they'll be out of stock or they'll not come back or they'll disappear. So you'll just kind of have to watch and see what's there. Oh, this one's an X, this green one. I forgot to put the X on that one. So don't get that one. We returned that. Okay, going. We're almost to the end, I think. 27 pages. There we go. Oh, this one really fast. This black dress is fabulous. It's my absolute favorite. My daughter actually wanted one, so I bought her one too. But I love it. It's high necked, it's long, it's warm for winter, long sleeved, and super classy, super high quality. Love that. So if you need a black dress, snatch them up before they're gone. Okay. And that's about it. And there's one, I think the one last secret thingy, but I'm going to save that one for the last video. So you'll come back because it was a thing that I wasn't sure I was going to buy, but I did. And so I got it, and I'll show you in the other video, but not in this one. So hopefully that was helpful, and you can pause and look at all the things while you're waiting for me to make the other one all complete for you. Okay, see you later. Oh, and go ahead. I will put the link for the other video here. I don't know how I point. I'm still learning how that all works because I put them in the wrong corners. Okay, I'll put the first video here if you haven't seen it yet so you can see the video. Feel free to like and subscribe and follow me for more intentional living tips. We talk about faith, we talk about health, we talk about saving money and being intentional and happy parenting and all the things that are important and good for your life. And I just find that saving money is one thing that blesses my life. So we share it with you too. So have a wonderful day. And oh, I'm still screen sharing. Anyways, have a great day. And I will see you later. And we'll park. There we go. Point there. I'm going to put the video here and go ahead and subscribe. And we'll be friends. And I'll share with you some more of my TEMU things as well as intentional living, parenting, happiness, and faith and coaching and all the good stuff that helps you to live a more happy and inspired life. So I'll see you later.